students, today we shall start the next method to find the roots of a quadratic equation, that is method of completing the squares. Let's take one example to verify this method. Now divide both sides by the coefficient of x square. Right? What do we have? Now transpose this constant term towards right side. Next step, adding both sides, half the coefficient of x whole square. Right? So here it has become a perfect square of x minus 7 upon 4. So x minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Square of 7 is 49 and square of 4 is 16. This side you take the LCM as 16. What do you have? 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 3 is 24. Plus 49 and left side x minus 7 upon 4 whole square. Okay, so after solving, x minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equal to 16 minus 24 plus 49, that is 25. So dear students, x minus 4 is equal to plus or minus root 25 upon 16. So here x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 16 is 4. Now transpose this term, constant term, towards right side. X is equal to, this sign is negative, here it will become positive. Okay, so 7 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 and 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4. So what do you get here? X is equal to LCM is 4, 7 plus 5 and again LCM is 4, 7 minus 5. After solving, x is equal to 12 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. You got this? 3, you got this? 1, 2. So x is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. This is the method to find the roots of a quadratic equation by completing the squares. Now we start the next topic, that is nature of roots. You know the quadratic formula. The nature of roots depend on the value of this b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is d. D is the discriminant. The nature of roots depend on the value of d. If d is greater than or equal to 0, अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से ग्रेटर होगी तो उस समय दो डिफरेंट रूट्स होंगे, दो रियल रूट्स होंगे, डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स होंगे. इफ d is equal to 0 तब भी रियल रूट्स होंगे, लेकिन दोनों रूट्स की वैल्यू सेम होगी. d की वैल्यू 0 के इक्वल होगी तो दोनों जो रूट्स हैं वो इक्वल होंगे और रियल होंगे. अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से कम होगी तो नो रियल रूट्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, while finding the रूट्स निकालने के लिए हमें d की वैल्यू मालूम होना जरूरी है। अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से कम होगी तो हमारे रूट्स नहीं निकलेंगे। अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से बड़ी होगी या 0 के इक्वल होगी तो हम दो रूट्स निकाल सकते हैं। लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल। Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to -4 and c is equal to 3. d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to you see here 16 minus 4 to the 8 is 24 minus 8. d is equal to -8. That means d is less than 0. Therefore, this quadratic equation has no real roots. Let us take one more example. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to -6 and c is equal to 3. d is equal to -6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 36 minus 8 is 24. You get that value of d is equal to 12. Here d is greater than 0. So therefore, two distinct real roots. Students, let's take one more example. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to -4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Fill the value. -4 into a की value into c की value. So square of -4 is 16 and square of root 3 is 3. 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 3s are 12 4s are again 48. So what you see here, the value of d is equal to 0. So therefore 2 equal and real roots. Dear students, after getting the value of d, that is discriminant, we come to know whether the roots are real and unequal, real and equal or no real roots.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.